Today we're doing a full 100-foot sewer line replacement along with the potable water line as well. This system is a cast iron and clay piping system that is excessively outdated and deteriorated. As you can see, there's multiple holes in the line. They've been patched up just temporarily so that they could use the sewer until we were ready to cut it out. Here you can see some of the old clay pipe coming from the old line that used to run out the house. We are bringing this line out from underneath the driveway and the garage. You can see the clay pipe here with multiple separations on the line. This is our new trench that we're going to be running it in and rerouting it. Here we had to tunnel underneath the sidewalks. This is our new trench with the piping and we're just dry fitting it. If you find yourself having multiple issues with your sewer system, or you have old clay pipe like this and you want to get it out and quit having to deal with clogs, give us a call or send us a text, 214-868-1832. Peace.